Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. The Poly DA75 is a digital USB adapter designed to connect a Poly, formerly Plantronics, quick disconnect (QD) headset to a PC or Mac. It is a key component for modernizing and preserving an investment in legacy professional headsets. Dual connectivity. One of its most notable features is the built-in dual connector, which includes both a USB-A and a USB-C connection on the same cable. This allows users to plug into virtually any modern computer without needing separate adapters or dongles. Intelligent headset recognition. The DA75 is a smart adapter. It can detect the specific Poly QD headset that is connected and automatically tune the audio performance to match that headset's characteristics, providing optimized call quality. Audio enhancement and protection. It improves the audio experience by providing wideband audio for clear conversations and is equipped with SoundGuard DIGITAL, a technology that protects against acoustic shock and manages daily noise exposure, helping to meet safety standards like OSHA/noise at work. It also offers advanced echo and noise cancellation. Compatibility. The DA75 is fully backwards compatible with a wide range of Poly and Plantronics QD headsets, including the popular EncorePro series, such as the HW520. This makes it a great solution for call centers and offices that are transitioning from desk phones to soft phones, PC-based calling, while keeping their existing headsets. Functionality. Unlike some other adapters in the DA series, such as the DA85, the DA75 does not have inline call controls, buttons for volume, mute, or answering/ending calls. Its primary function is to serve as a high-quality, flexible connection between a QD headset and a computer's USB port. The Plantronics HW520, part of the EncorePro 500 series, is a professional-grade, binaural, dual-ear, wired headset designed primarily for use in call centers and busy office environments. It is known for its durability, comfort, and high-quality audio performance. Design and comfort. The HW520 features a lightweight, over-the-head design with soft, luxurious ear cushions for all-day comfort. Its construction uses laser-welded joints and aircraft-grade aluminum to ensure durability and reliability under heavy use. The flexible microphone boom provides visual and tactile guides, such as ratchet clicks, to help users position the microphone correctly for optimal voice clarity. Audio quality. The headset offers wideband audio for rich and clear conversations. It also includes a noise-canceling microphone that significantly reduces background noise, ensuring the caller hears the user's voice clearly. Connectivity. The HW520 uses a quick disconnect (QD) connector, which allows the user to quickly disconnect the headset from the device and walk away without removing the headset. This also makes the headset compatible with a variety of devices, including desk phones and PCs, through the use of specific adapters, sold separately, such as a QD to USB adapter, like the DA80 or DA90, or a QD to 3.5 mm cable. Hearing protection. It is equipped with SoundGuard technology, which provides acoustic protection against sound spikes and helps prevent listening fatigue, meeting standards like OSHA/noise at work regulations. Model variations. The HW520 is the binaural, dual-ear version. There is also a monaural, single-ear version, the HW510. Both models are available with either a noise-canceling microphone or a voice tube. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.